Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the presentation tips. To get more info about this, don't wait, let's get started viewers. But before that, if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. What's the main agenda regarding this video? You can see as follows. What is presentation? Why it is required? Where you can give the presentation, how to prepare a basic presentation and how to present that. These are the 5 things we are going to cover in this video. The first thing we are going to discuss is what is presentation. Along with regular text, your slides can contain info like images, tables, drawings, links, videos and audios, etc. To communicate or to share your information through visually through a series of slides. The second thing, why it is needed, why we prefer this thing means if we see anything visually we will remember more than that of reading anything or hearing anything. That's why will prefer this thing. Where it is required, where it is going to be used, mainly it is used for office and educational purposes. And one more thing, PowerPoint is the popular presentation software to give presentations or to prepare presentations. The fourth main thing is how to prepare a presentation. Making a presentation is a way of communicating your thoughts and ideas to your audience. While preparing, mainly we have to concentrate on topic, content, and formatting. We will go for content. While coming to this, have to analyze the topic. The second thing is making requirements. You have to go through the requirements and you have to make a note on that. The third thing is for every topic we need to check what, why, where, when, how, the structure, advantage and disadvantage, and finally the conclusion. You have to cover all these contents, then your PPT is going to be ready very easily if you cover these all the contents. The fourth thing is give brief conclusion of your things while you are going to present your PPT. The next is formatting. Formatting is referred to the appearance of presentation of your thing. The first thing is like prepare your slides attractively. That should not be more bright. It should be decent and to be clean, plain. The second thing is place your content according to the slide. The third thing, for heading, choose one type of font size and font style and bold. That you have to be used consistent and should be maintained throughout the PPT. For subtitle and for content you have to follow the same and you have to use the font style and font size as per standards. Fourth, the fourth thing is maintain bright colors for the text visibility, and the next thing is make sure maintain the alignment property. It is also one more important thing in your content. Maintain less slides, not more than 20 slides, but you have to cover all the content. Now your presentation is ready. Then the last thing, how you are going to present your presentation in front of your audience. Connect with your audience. First, make sure control yourself and don't be nervous, be relaxed. Focus and concentrate on your message which you are going to give to your audience. For your audience, don't let it be bore. Remember and deliver your message in a simple and understandable format. Third thing is start strong. Start your presentation confidently and turn your audience attention on you to your topic. With your starting definition or content of your topic only, they have to analyze the intention of topic what you are going to be present. Fourth thing, maintain eye contact and smile while explaining the content. Don't be hurried and nervous. Make your eye contact towards audience with a confident smile. The fifth thing is your voice should be strong. While presenting and explaining, your voice should not be dull. Maintain a voice which suitable to room and audience attention. The next thing is body gestures. Maintain some gestures with your hand. Use the stage and cover the total stage and among the audience too if possible. The next thing is explaining the content, not to read the slides as it is. Just explain the inner content according to your slide. It and final thing is give your conclusion. Finally, you have to conclude your topic, that too with the positive thing of your topic and with a good sign. So these are the points you have to follow while preparing a presentation and presenting a presentation. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.